also the daughter of the Chief Minister, one of the most important leaders from this new Indian state. Ma'am, the TRS was hoping that they will be able to hold off the BJP's challenge in Telangana and that this would be all noise and no substance. At this moment, where things stand, things could turn, but where they stand at this moment, the BJP has almost double the number of leads that the TRS does. How alarmed are you by what you're seeing this morning?
Rahulji, absolutely not alarmed, because this is just about 1900 votes that we are talking about. This is the result of the postal ballot. As you rightly said, this is a paper ballot and things will change. And exit polls yesterday, each and every exit poll said TRS will emerge as the largest party again in Hyderabad. And we believe that we are going to be the largest party, and we will certainly form the local body government in Hyderabad again.
What did you make of the challenge the Bharatiya Janata Party threw at the TRS? Ever since the Congress started disintegrating after a new state was created in Telangana, the TRS really didn't have a challenger. In Hyderabad, you were challenged to some extent in the old Hyderabad area by the AIMIM. For the rest of the state, you had a free run. You won 99 out of the 150 divisions in the last municipal elections. Now, you've got a challenger. Whether it happens now or in 2023 when the next assembly elections could happen, you've got a challenger on your heels.
Well, I would not say that, within few hours we'll come to know, but I'm only saying the bigger claims made by BJP will turn out to be false, because a true challenger has to challenge TRS in terms of development, in terms of keeping peace. But BJP doesn't believe in either one of them. They just want to come in here. They want to, campaign about changing names. They want to talk about Rohingya, Zina, etc., etc. I do not think people of Hyderabad have taken that in a good taste. And you will see the reflection after a few hours, after we count the real votes. What TRS will stand, and TRS is the party which is loved by people of Telangana. And as you rightly said, the disintegration of Congress might have of BJP, but other than that, BJP has no real standing in Telangana. They have not even done anything for Hyderabad, anything specific for Hyderabad. They do not have a vision for Hyderabad. In this entire election, if you look at the campaign of BJP top leadership, Rahulji, you'll notice that they have never in a single sentence, not even a single person had said that this is our vision for Hyderabad. They only said we want to change the name of Hyderabad to Bhagyanagar. I'm only saying नाम बदलने से क्या होगा, तरीका बदलना चाहिए. We have to change the way we govern our local bodies. That TRS has done long time back. These are the real questions that people will be voting on. That is what our party believes.
Would you concede the handling of the floods in and around the city of Hyderabad ahead of this municipal election put the TRS in some senses on the back foot? I mean, the floods were devastating. It was a natural disaster, but the manner in which the Would you concede the handling of the floods in and around the city of Hyderabad ahead of this municipal election put the TRS in some senses on the back foot? I mean, the floods were devastating. It was a natural disaster, but the manner in which the
party believes.
Would you concede the handling of the floods in and around the city of Hyderabad ahead of this municipal election put the TRS in some senses on the back foot? I mean, the floods were devastating. It was a natural disaster, but the manner in which the